Guess the plagues of different countries in 5 seconds. So let's start. Guess the first one. It's Saudi Arabia's. Guess this one. It's India's. Guess this one. It's Finland. Guess the plague. It's Pakistan's. Guess this one. It's Bolivia. Guess the plague. It's Bahrain. Guess this one. It's Belarus. Guess this one. It's Namibia. Guess the plague. It's Oman. Guess the plague. It's Malawi. Guess this one. It's Uganda. Guess this one. It's Kuwait. Guess this plague. It's South Sweden. Guess the plague. It's Palestine. Guess this plague. It's Jordan. Guess this one. It's UAE. Guess the plague. It's Bangladesh's plague. Guess this one. It's Sri Lanka plague. Guess this one. It's Afghanistan. Guess the next one. It's United Kingdom. Guess this one. It's Turkey plague. Guess this one. It's Tunisia. Guess this one. It's Brazil. Guess this one. It's United States. Guess this plague. It's Australia. Guess this one. It's New Zealand's plague. Guess this one. It's Singapore. Guess the plague. This is the plague of Argentina. Guess the plague. This is the plague of Qatar. Guess this one. It's Scotland's plague. Please subscribe the channel for more informative videos.